Yeah, well, when I started developing it, I was regression to cause minded too. And I was trying to build a structure from old thinking.
Mm-hmm.
And then when I said this is entirely different, and I started to change.
Yeah. And so what I also really like is that it is always just more, I don't know if developing is the right word, but it's an ongoing development thing. Like it's getting better every time with every training we.
Every training you do, we get better. We evolve the thing a little more.
Yeah, and that is what I really like, that, things are changing, nothing is cut in stone, and it's always to get better outcomes for the clients on the one hand, and to make the process easier for the hypnotist.
Yeah.
I really like that.
Yeah. I really like that too.